Hi everyone, Clever Cook with the sides. Very simple dish. 3 cups of rice, 5 cups of water, a tablespoon or maybe tablespoon and a half of salt, a large can of garbanzo beans or 2 smaller cans, and you just cook it the way you cook the rice. About 20-25 minutes, and when you turn off the heat, you let it sit for a good 10 minutes. And then you have delicious fluffy rice with healthy garbanzo beans. And if you want to jazz it up just a little bit, because that's got Italian seasoning in it, here from my previous video is just the liquid from the pig's feet I was boiling. And you can see the seasoning floating in there, more Italian seasoning. And you just take, 1 or 2 spoons of this on top, and you pour it over the rice. Season the rice, a little extra flavor. We just had some delicious. This is Clever Cook. Like, comment, definitely subscribe, and watch. See you next time.